Welcome to the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania Employment, the workshop dedicated to job seekers in Pennsylvania. My name's Tom. I'm with the CareerLink as a career advisor in Blair County. I appreciate your time for being here today. Water is essential to survival. Every day you drink water, which goes through rigorous testing standards to ensure it is safe for you and your family to drink. In fact, the Department of Bureau of Safe Drinking Water protects all PA residents and visitors from microbiological, chemical, and radiological contaminants in our drinking water served at nearly 9,200 public water systems. Did you know that nearly 40,000 miles of roadway and 25,000 bridges are maintained by the Pennsylvania Department of Transportation? Did you also know that you rely on PennDOT anytime you drive on the highway or use public transportation, and even when you travel outside the state by plane or boat? We have engineers, operators, mechanics, inspectors, even chemists working daily to ensure you can travel efficiently and safely. Working for the Commonwealth also offers a ton of rewards, such as work life balance, health and wellness plans, financial planning, multiple retirement packages, and workplace values. Some of the ones I would like to highlight here is the paid vacation and sick leave, the paid holidays, and the average hours worked for state employees is 37 and a half. There's also access to affordable healthcare programs with an awesome employee wellness program. Let's not forget about the multiple retirement packages with 401k options and free life insurance, plus the option for federal student loan forgiveness. And most important, the satisfaction of public service. If that wasn't enough, there's also professional development opportunities, mentoring programs, leadership programs, and other professional and technical development opportunities. The room for advancement in your career is endless. With nearly 72,000 salaried employees within the executive branch, the Commonwealth is one of the state's largest employers. What makes up the Commonwealth's employment landscape unique in comparison to other large private employers is the diversity of the work performed across the various state agencies, boards, and commissions under the governor's jurisdiction. With over 2,800 job titles, virtually every occupation or group in the labor market is represented. The diverse need for resources presents opportunities, but also major challenges in effectively attracting and retaining qualified job candidates. There are two types of employment. There is merit-based employment, which requires applicants to take an examination and receive a score prior to being considered for the position. Much of the Commonwealth's workforce is merit-based or civil service covered. And then the other side of that would be non-civil service, which there is not an exam required for. Reasonable accommodations for individuals with disabilities are available throughout the hiring process. Applicants should notify the contact person listed on the posting to request an accommodation when registering for an exam or while interviewing. Accommodations can be discussed. There has been no change to the law. Hiring preferences applies to both non-civil service and civil service. For civil service exams, qualified vet candidates will receive an additional 10 points on the final score. For non-civil service positions, veterans who are determined to be qualified throughout the hiring process will receive hiring preference. When you will need to provide your DD form 214 if you do qualify, and then 10 points will be added to your score. So where it all gets started is you need to go to www.employment On the screen, this is a picture of the home screen. You'll click on one of the two locations to view the open job listings located on the right side of the screen. Job seekers have a variety of options from the open jobs page. Seekers can choose to look at opportunities that are currently open. Current employees can also view internal postings. Students can view internship opportunities. Job seekers will want to consider signing up for job alerts to ensure they are receiving notifications as jobs of interest are posted. A step by step tutorial is available for job seekers needing additional help or clarification. You can narrow down your search by clicking filter and then selecting to view jobs based on location, department, job category, estimated salary, or exam type. Please take note, there is a change to the civil service examination process. Under the job type, it will note if the job requires an examination or if you will be required to complete an online questionnaire. When you're reviewing job postings on a smartphone, the view option is only list view. On a laptop or desktop, you have the option of grid view or list view. From there, you will click on the job title for information um, about required test. This pop-up will appear with the position description, the benefits, and requirements. Please note, be sure to read and verify that you meet all the requirements. If you do not meet the minimum requirements, you will not receive a score. Once you have verified your eligibility, click on the Apply button in the top right corner. If you're brand new and haven't done so, you will want to click on the Create an Account. You will need to enter your email and create a password. From there, you will be given two options. For the resume portion, you can either upload your resume or you can manually enter it. When requesting to manually enter your resume, you must click the Skip This Step button or green button in the lower right side of the screen. If you are uploading your resume, take a moment to double check the information and verify that it was uploaded correctly. Make sure that your resume indicates the specific job duties that are listed in the minimum requirements for the position you are applying for. Go ahead and complete all the gray highlighted areas and all the boxes with the red asterisks. Once you have edited, verified, and certified your application, that's it. You're ready to submit your application. It's that easy. After submitting your application, you'll receive this confirmation page, which shows your application has been received. Feel free, go ahead, print the application and the position description to keep a record for the positions on which you have applied. Do know, though, it is saved on the site. You will receive a no reply confirmation email stating your application has been received, and if an exam is needed, a second email will be sent. You will receive a second email from Prometric, including the link to their website and your eligibility number. On the screen, is an example of what the email will look like. Please note you cannot schedule an exam until after 10 a.m. the next business day. The link will bring you to this page where you will select Schedule under Actions. And the schedule appointment screen provides information on testing accommodations, what to expect when you arrive, including uh, a note to arrive at least 30 minutes prior. You'll want to bring your driver's license, a government issued ID card, a passport, United States military identification card. From there, you can click the green arrow on the bottom right. Go ahead and schedule your appointment. You must select the option at the bottom of the screen in order to proceed. Click the green arrow at the bottom right once you have made your selection. You will enter the eligibility number from your email and the first four of your last name, then click Submit. A list of the tests you are registered for and ready to schedule, and that you're ready to schedule the exam. You will select the specific test you would like to schedule and enter the city it provides all the testing sites near your location. The date range is 2 weeks out, starting from the next business day. You will select the dates you are available. This is a list of the dates and location. It also includes the travel distance. When you click on the date, it will provide the times the test is being offered. Under sort by, you can select closest test center or first appointment available. From there, you can also select a future month and time frame for dates and times at each location. Your selections populate on the right side of the screen. Confirm the location, the date, times, and that the date and times are correct, and select the green area in the right bottom corner. You will confirm your information. Conf, you will confirm your information from there. You have to select your county to move to the next step. Click on the green area in the bottom right corner. Please note if it gives 15 minutes to finish the scheduling process in the timer at the top of the timer at the top of the screen. Here's your appointment verification screen. Please note that the option to receive a text message reminder, click complete appointment in the bottom right corner. Then it will bring you to an appointment summary screen showing you that your appointment has been confirmed and listing the confirmation number. You will need this if you are rescheduling or canceling later. It also notes that there is no cost for the test. From there, hit the green X to exit. This is an example of a confirmation email. Again, with the confirmation number, you'll need that if you need to reschedule. If canceling, uh, if you do need to cancel a scheduled exam, um, you'll just go, well, I'll show you how to do that here. From the ProMetrics homepage, you will select Reschedule, Cancel under the Actions tab. Enter that confirmation number that we talked about on the previous screen. You would have that either in your email or when you wrote it down. And then you would also need the first four letters of your last name. Make sure the exam you would like to cancel. Make sure when you're selecting that this is the exam that you actually want to cancel or reschedule, and then select the box from the exam selection. It will confirm again that there are no fees. Go ahead and click yes. I want to cancel my appointment, located in the bottom right. Here's an example of your confirmation of a cancellation. Please note under status on the previous slide, it stated scheduled and now it's changed to canceled. Go back to the home page, schedule your exam using the same eligibility number. After you've taken the test, you can log into the Commonwealth of Pennsylvania employment website and view your score under the My Account option and select New Information. And now that you have your score, you will be notified by mail of job openings. It is your responsibility to apply for those positions. With that, that wraps us up for today. I appreciate your time. I hope this presentation has helped. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our office. Again, my name is Tom. I'm with the Blair County CareerLink, one of the career advisors here on site, and we would love to assist you. Have a great day.